one of my previous video on YouTube, we have explained about amoeba. Amoeba is a shapeshifter. Their entire body is a giant stomach. At the same time, it is also a giant mouth. There are 5 species of genus amoeba. 1. Amoeba agilis. 2. Amoeba gorgonia. 3. Amoeba limicola. 4. Amoeba proteus. And 5. Amoeba vespertilio. There is one different species of amoeba named Neigleria fowleri. They eat human brain. If a person infected by Neigleria fowleri, he will not survive more than a month. We will talk about them in the future video. As always, let me know what you'd like to see next down below, and thanks for watching.